Have you ever dreamed of being miniaturized in a tiny car? Having a beautiful car on your desk or driving a great RC car? Why should you ever need to choose? Meet Microturismo. Its revolutionary chassis system lets you drive all sorts of car models and explore any kind of roads. Because it's a multiplayer game, Microturismo is designed for fearless competition. A single battery will take you up to 40 minutes runs. With a few seconds battery pit stop, Microturismo is always ready to go.
Okay, push now, push now.
It's so small and easy that you can even play at a coffee break. Microturismo revolutionary lap counter system lets you have many data all the way from lap times to sector times. Designed by Formula One engineers, we combine smart engineering with efficient production methods. The result is a sturdy and precise car that you can use at any time and on the go.
Microturismo is built to give you freedom to be a racing driver at home or at the office. Let us know if you have any suggestions or questions. We welcome you to back this project and change the way you play forever.